Stop by and take a look at the 2006 Colorado. This vehicle is powered by a rear-wheel drive, 5-cylinder, 3.5-liter engine and comes with a 4-speed automatic transmission. Great hauling capability, powerful, rugged, and a great Chevy price. Colorado is it. This beauty is sure to make you the talk of the neighborhood. So call or drop in for a test drive today.
Here's another high-quality vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.